Hey there, CJA students and families. It's Mr. Mason from the 7th and 8th grade. Just wanted to quickly show you a resource that can help our students with informational text. Something coming out of the pandemic, we realized that students need to gain more stamina in reading and need to just hone those skills that they may have missed out on for a year. So reading 1 or 2 Newsela articles, but at least one every single night should help this. A little bit by little bit will pay off. So they go to Newsela.com. All they have to do is click in Google, and then the beautiful thing about Newsela is that they can search anything that they want. So they can have the suggested topics that pop up, or search something like video games or like the NBA, and they can search that, and articles related to that will pop up. So you can talk about an NBA player starting a youth center. All right, I want to figure that out. Now the beautiful thing about this as well is that this article will tell you what grade level it's for. It's grade level 6, right? And so they can say, wait a second, maybe I want to ramp that up a little bit or down a little bit. So I can change that to grade 5. I can change it to grade 4, and I can have it read aloud to me, so I can read with it.
Look out! Little League World Series, NBA starts championship for kids.
Right? And it will literally read the article with me, and at the very end, what I can do is I can take a quiz on it, and I can actually prove to myself whether I understood that article or not. So something that kids could do absolutely every single night. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes, but would pay off big time when it came to iReady testing or standardized testing for high school. So if you can implement this at home, it'd be awesome. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me or your language art teachers.